Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making shoyu ramen. So I've got some boiling water here and some ramen noodles. Those I'm just going to chuck in there. While that's cooking away, we're just going to make the sauce. Well, the soup base. So a little bit of ginger, quarter teaspoon. A little bit of garlic, quarter teaspoon. A little bit of chicken stock, quarter teaspoon. 3 tablespoons of minced. Stir that up. That's our base. Into that we're going to put some hot water. 450 mils of hot water, which I've measured out in this hot water jar. So give it a little stir. Don't be afraid to try it, make sure it's good. So these noodles won't take long. I'm just going to take them straight to the sink and strain them. There we go. And then here we've got some garnishes. So some boiled egg, some NARUTO, maki, some wakame, some spinach, some spring onions. I'm just going to drop the ramen straight into the soup. And then we're just going to put the garnish in there, wakame. Spinach, and some spring onions.